let's understand that how to do the dry run of the program. Very important part, guys. So just do it with me. So dry run, we call it a dry run. When when we use the paper pen to execute for the execution of the program, we call it a dry run. Here we have Vivek gave us this logic, right? A is equal to a plus b, b is equal to a minus b, and a is equal to a minus b. Now let's check what happens when you perform this thing. Let's say I have a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. So what I want to do, I just want to swap these numbers. So now the very first, a is equal to a plus b. Now what will happen? A plus b. What will I get, guys?
7.
7.
A plus B.
7, right? So, yes. So what it does,
Okay.
and
Yes,
what
sir.
is this, guys? Yeah, and what is this?
Then it transfers the value from the right to the one
Assignment
in the
operator.
left.
Assignment operator.
Assignment operator.
Assignment
We
operator.
call it assignment operator, right? Okay. So how does it work? So I will get 4 plus 3, that is 7, and it will assign that value in A. Means now inside the memory, my 3 will be overwritten by 7. So my right now the value of A is 7, right? You can also draw this way. Let's say here I have A and here I have B, and in A I have 3 and in B I have 4. So after performing this step, I'll get 7. Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Now the second step, B is equal to A minus B. So what this statement will do in the memory, so A minus B, what I have in A right now, guys,
7.
7.
and B,
4.
4. So 7 minus 4, what will I get?
3.
3.
3.
So we know that this 3 will is going to be assigned in B. So this B will be overwritten with 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now my B contains 3. Now the next step. The next step is A is equal to A minus B. Sorry. A minus B. Now, what I have in A, guys, right now?
7.
A plus B.
7.
7 is there, right? 7 is
7.
there. And B contains 3. What will I get over here?
4.
4. And that 4 will be assigned to the A. Means now this 7 will be overwritten by 4. So this way, this is the logic that I got at the end. At the end, I got 4 and 3. What was actually, it was 3 and 4. But after applying this logic, I got 4 and 3. So now I can say that my numbers swapped. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is called dry run. That when you do this type of thing on paper, means you just want to check that how your code works and what is the condition or the situation inside the memory. This thing we call it a dry run.